Hi, in front of me is TECNO smartphone, exactly the TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and on this example I will explain how the game mode works on your device. So let's begin. At the very beginning, let's activate the game mode on your settings. So let's choose the list of all applications. Here let's find and select the settings icon, it's right here. You need to scroll down almost to the bottom of the list, and here let's choose special function. Here is the list of intelligent facilities that you can use on your TECNO smartphone. As you can see, there's a couple of them, but in our case we are interested in game mode. So let's tap on game mode. As you can see, the game mode could be activated. If not, let's just use this switcher right here. And now you can show the game assistant panel for a more immersive game experience. So that's what we want. Let's also keep activated the game assistant panel right here, and let me show you how this panel works. So let's open some game. For example, it could be the Subway Surf in my case, and let's see that here you've got the panel with the statistics about your game, the CPU usage, GPU usage, the network delay. You can also read the FPS, and you can also use some of these features. For example, you can choose the gaming temperature control, you can use the off-screen gaming, you can use the settings with your brightness, you can use the barrage mode. You can, for example, here also choose the graphic enhancement, so it could be classic, colorful, soft or realistic, and you can use the other statistics and the other settings of your game mode. Let's go back to the settings, and here you can also use the game data. So you can use the statistics, the information about your game, so you can check the game time. You can also see some duration statistics on your graphics, and also some other important information. You can share those information by using this button right here. So you can use the Gmail Bluetooth to share the information. Let's go back. You can also choose the message notification method. It's really useful when you are gaming a lot. So you can hide notification, or you can use this really cool feature, which is the barrage notification. As you can see, you can have the notification that style, so it won't disrupt your game, but you will see if the information is important. Let's go back. You can also use the game anti-addiction. So you can use the health reminder. I really recommend that after 2 hours of non-stop play, you will see the notification. Or you can also set up some other option right here. For example, you can choose the game duration data, and you can see how long you are playing in which game, and the total game duration right here. Okay, here you can also use the graphic enhancement, so you can choose your preferred enhancement mode. As you can see, it's the same as we saw previously. It could be a classic, colorful, soft or realistic. And what's also really important, you can choose the game management. So the phone should detect the game on your phone and should apply the game mode on those applications, but you can check if this is correct. In my case, it's correct. Subway Surf is activated, the other apps are not, but if you would like to, you can use, for example, the game mode on your compass, calendar or photos. Oh, in my case, I should also activate the game mode on the headball too, so let me do it. So basically that's it. You just saw all settings with the game mode. You can use it on your TECNO smartphone. It should work on all newest TECNO devices, so it's really cool features to apply. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.